And as the road turned to dirt, we got the feeling this might not be the way to Baikonur after all.
Why are we doing this? Can't we find another road?
But then...
Look at that. That's huge. Thanks, Chris.
we had stumbled across our first opportunity for a spot of competition.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think I am thinking what you're thinking. That looks like a racetrack to me.
I think we need to get it on.
So, our first test of reliability would be an impromptu quarry race. Down to the bottom, back to the top. First past the cow's head wins.
Gentlemen, may the best man and his machine win.
Come on, little black cap.
3, 2, 1, go. Well, that's hopeless. I've just been overtaken by a bloody London taxi.
I've got better traction than Chris. Yeah! Oh, Matt's quick, though.
Oh!
Ah, he's in front. Come on, chase him down, chase him down.
Rory's gaining.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes! 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 Yes!
Oh, Rory with a big move up the inside.
Oh, we're in front! The little black gap is in front!
Oh, get out of the way.
Hey, watch the paint.
Come on, baby. Come on, hold it together. Okay, we're coming around the loop. Ah, the turning circle coming in. More than handy there. 79 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 21 seconds.
Sorry.
And we've destroyed the Merc and the Volvo.
Oh, this is hopeless.
Rory's slow up the hill. I got him.
Oh, Matt's gaining, Matt's gaining.
Here we go.
Oh, no!
Thank you.
No!
Yeah.
Ah!
Right, come on, old girl.
Here comes Chris. I'm on the defensive. Hold him off! Hold him off! Hold him off! Hold him off! Matt's slowing down.
What the? What the f?
Come on! Yes!
Not quite the end I'd expected.
Well, what happened?
What do you mean, what happened? You weren't moving.
I lost drive. Coming up the hill, the transmission kind of let go.
I'll tell you what happened. I just won the race in a black cap.
Honestly, I'm disappointed. I was coming past you and you were stationary.
You weren't coming past me.
I was pushing up the hill.
No, I was putting the moves on you. I was blocking you.
Well, so you reckon you were not being pushed up the hill?
I was defensive,
you
driving the hell out of you.
You weren't aware of the fact you were being pushed up the hill?
Yeah, but that was enough to stay ahead.
Yeah, but when
You would have pushed me over the finish line.
I am feeling slightly guilty though. This car has lived for 13 years and 570,000 miles, and I've had it 42 miles. 42 miles.
Yeah, that last one was probably the most special.
Meanwhile,
Yeah.
pristine, good as new.
Yeah.
I can change that quite quickly for you.